So Art is going to show you how we sift it. We're just gonna, I really need to make a bigger one with some bigger pieces of wood so it fits over the wheelbarrow better. Okay, so Art already did a demonstration of my compost sifter that I just DIY'd. I took a couple of 1x4s and I just cut them down. Believe it or not, that one did look better. I made this like in 2020, so it's quite old. It's held up for a while though. But I took chicken wire and, well, you can see I just screwed these together. I just used screws that I already had on hand, nothing special. See, it's very roughly cut. But I just made a square and then I just stapled the chicken wire onto it so that I could make a sifter. And we've been using it for several years now and it works just fine. And here is the stapler that I used. Oh boy, we should probably bring it inside and not leave it on the patio. It's getting rusted. But I will link that below too. When I got this, it was only like 15 bucks. It's been several years since I bought this, but I still think that they're pretty cheap. So again, I'll put the measurements for this too, but you'll really want to base this off of what you're wanting to set it on top of. So if you're going to put it over a plastic tub or over a wheelbarrow, you might want to measure out so that you can make your wood the appropriate size. And then again, I just screwed it together in the corners, 2 screws on each corner, and then just cut the chicken wire and then stapled it on. And that's it. Yeah, exactly. And then anything that doesn't go through that mesh is what you throw back in the top of your bin. If you missed the original video, I will link it up here in the right-hand corner. And we'll also link it at the end of this video.
Really fine, isn't it?
Huh?
Makes it really fine.
Yes. So as you saw, that was 4 days later after we had allowed the compost to cure. Typically, I let it sit a little longer than that, but because we had filtered it so well, I was confident it was ready to top up a bed. So we did that, and I have a lot more to show you in the next video. And if you are enjoying this series, I hope you will subscribe to the channel because we've got some fun activities coming up, including we have been making some homemade wine to give away as Christmas gifts. So I hope you will stay tuned and stick around for some of those videos. Remember to go the second mile today for someone in your life and with your resources and with your compost.